This is the Weather Xtreme video, the morning edition for Friday, April 22nd. I'm James Spann. Showers, a few strong storms are possible today. Then the weekend looking very nice, and next week, the warmest week so far this year. Let's dive in, check things out. Start with the water vapor satellite view. Upper trough getting close, providing a little dynamic support for showers and storms today. That was the radar early this morning at 5:07. You can see the rain fairly widespread south of Interstate 20 and also some showers up in the Tennessee Valley. But this will probably be the most widespread rain we have today. No doubt later new showers and storms will form, but they should be pretty scattered in nature. Mostly 60s on the board as this day begins. Birmingham 64. We'll expect a high up in the mid to upper 70s today. And really a quiet day for the nation. That's the watch warning map. Basically nothing going on. But that will change next week for the southern plains and Texas. Severe weather possibilities today, a marginal risk from near Meridian, Mississippi to Cincinnati, Ohio. In Alabama, the area is in darker green in that risk. This is the lowest end severe weather threat. Basically all of our territory, Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Anniston, Gadsden, Huntsville, Montgomery. We'll talk about the specifics in just a moment. This is day 3. This is Sunday, a risk of severe weather for the nation's breadbasket. And again, on day 5, which is Tuesday, this seems to be what will be the most active day next week, well to the west of here, an enhanced risk over Oklahoma with the 15% ring extending down into Texas and up to near Kansas City. And then the following day, day 6, which is Wednesday, a risk of severe weather from northeast Texas almost up to Chicago. And again, we think we will not have problems next week with ridging. Rain for the next 5 days is valid through Wednesday morning, about a half inch here. So let's check it out. The GFS, this is the 06Z run today at 1 o'clock local time. Trough moving through. Down below that, we'll have the chance of showers. But again, I don't think it rains a whole lot this afternoon if you got something planned. This is what the radar could look like at 2 o'clock. This is off the high-res HRRR, and this is composite reflectivity, which means it probably won't even be this much. But again, you can see new showers beginning to form in scattered spots in advance of a front that should be from near Huntsville down to about Reform. And where the new showers and storms begin to form, we'll have to watch for strong storms. This is the surface-based instability, and the values ramp up to about 1,500 joules south of the front. But everything else is really not that impressive. This is the storm relative helicity between 0 and 1 kilometer, and there's just basically nothing, so there's no tornado threat. If we do see any strong storms, hail, small hail, gusty winds, that'll be the deal. And by mid-afternoon, the risk shifts down to the south of Birmingham. All right, tomorrow, beautiful day, sunny with a high around 80, and Sunday, sunny with low 80s likely. So anything going on this weekend, you're going to be in good shape. Go to Monday of next week. I think we stay dry with ridging. See a little green on there, but we're not going to worry about rain for now. Looks like it should be warm and dry with low to mid-80s. This is Tuesday of next week, and you can see the concern for the severe weather west of the state with that big trough coming out of the west. A surface low under 1,000 millibars is east of Denver. And again, that could be an active severe weather day for Oklahoma City and Dallas-Fort Worth. But for us, ridging, there's a front north of us, I think will stay dry. Partly sunny, mid-80s. Wednesday, severe weather, maybe Missouri and Arkansas, not here. And again, if this is right, warm, dry with mid-80s. And Thursday, a surface front north of us, that might bring some showers to the Tennessee Valley. But again, pretty good chunk of the state will be dry. If you're beach-bound next week, and Gulf Coast weather looks pretty darn good. Here's a week from today, Friday the 29th. You can see that 584 ridge all across the southern states. And again, maybe a shower toward the end of next week, but nothing too widespread. Certainly no chance of severe weather, and we stay very warm. This is the end of the forecast. Sunday, May 1. Trough in the heartland, surface low, moving up into Minnesota. Showers and storms down into St. Louis and Dallas, Fort Worth. But it's the same story for here. Maybe a shower, but Very warm. That's the headline. You want to see the numbers? Do you like summer? Well, I think you'll like this chart. This is coming off the GEFS ensemble, and yeah, look at the 90s showing up toward the middle and end of next week. And that following weekend, race weekend at Talladega, looks summer-like. So how about that? Let's hope that ridge breaks down before the summer gets here at some point. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.